What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, what I haven't done in a while is go through some of my plays that are kind of outside of my normal conversations, normal videos that I create on here. Which I'll talk about Jasmine, I'll talk about XRP, I'll talk about some of the ones that are in really the top 100 and more specifically within the top 25, because those are plays that I truly believe in. And Jasmine Coin obviously I think is outside of that, but it's still looking at the billion-dollar market cap, multi-billion-dollar market cap, right? Um, but what I pride myself in is trying to find newer plays, not necessarily new, but newer to you plays that could potentially be worth so much more. And a lot of times I call those sleeper plays. And usually, and I'm going to tell you this, usually the sleeper plays that I bring up in my videos, the reason why I say that they are sleeper plays and the reason why I bring them up, just for the people that come through in the comment section and say, these are all positions that you hold. If I truly thought that they were sleeper plays and that they're going to be worth a lot, why would I not hold them? Makes no sense whatsoever. But that's the only thing that's logical when you're talking about plays that you truly believe in. That's like saying that this is a safe roller coaster, but then you've never been on it. Like, that's ridiculous for you to say it's safe and you've never even gone on it, right? You don't believe it's safe. So, anyways, what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna talk about three sleeper plays that I'm gonna bring to your attention that honestly I believe are going to be worth billions. And honestly, not just like 1 billion or 2 billion. We're talking about 10, 15, 50 like $1 billion and be at the top of that sector. So let's go ahead and talk about these plays. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you want to check out my link for Patreon, for Twitter, those links are in the description. Also, I have a link for Margex. If you want to get started trading on Margex, feel free to do that. You can leverage trade up to 100x leverage, as low as 5x leverage, and you could start with $1 if you wanted to. Honestly, you could start with less than $1 if you wanted to. So feel free to check that out. Again, that link is in the description. And if you are interested in trading, I have a link for Trade Assist where you can get buy alerts, sell alerts, or buy zones, sell zones, bullish momentum, bearish momentum, just to get a sense of, how you can trade short term as well as long term. So let's get started in this. Why do we want to know about sleeper plays before we jump into it? The reason why we want to know about sleeper plays, I'm sorry, my nose is just always itchy. It's like my face vibrates and then my nose gets itchy. But why do we want to talk about sleeper plays? I think everybody ignores the plays that are outside of the normal conversation, right? Even ones that you're talking about like Shiba Inu or, even Brett and many other projects that have popularity, they're more focused on that, but then, kind of just push these to the side or don't even see them, honestly. There are thousands of coins that are out there that have potential. And we don't end up giving them their fair share, fair shake, and shine some light on them, then there's going to be a lot of other people that are kind of gatekeeping that end up seeing all of the benefits, all of those rewards. So one of those instances, right, that I think is going to be a massive mover and has already moved quite a bit was Jasmine Coin. Jasmine Coin was on the second page. Actually, it was on the third page at times. And this means that it's not only in the top 100, it's in the top 200 to 300. So we have a lot of room to where people do not see it. I bring it up, and now all of a sudden, one, it's in the top 100, and also a lot of people are mentioning it. This is what we call a sleeper play. A lot of people slept on it. So let me bring up some of these for you guys that I've actually maybe talked about a couple of times in videos. The first play that I want to bring up is API 3. API 3, what is API 3 first, right? Smart contracts often struggle to access dependable data, but application programming interface API 3 have been touted as a solution to this problem. API 3's stated goal is to allow decentralized versions of APIs to be built, managed, and monetized at scales. As blockchain technology plays an ever bigger role in the economy, from decentralized finance to supply chain management. The team behind this project says it has never been more important for smart contracts to provide timely and reliable real world data. So, when it comes to where it stands in the top 100, top 200, top 300, it's currently 285th on the list. It's something that a lot of people do not see. I've seen it when I was over in Coinbase, and I was searching around for projects that look like they have some upside, look like they have some popularity, look like they have millions of dollars that go into it, as well as being available on S tier exchanges. That's what I call a sleeper play. It has the opportunity to move forward, but hasn't fully experienced that yet. It's currently sitting at a $133 million market cap with $8 million worth of volume. The highest price that this has gotten to, when we look at let's look down here. The highest price it's gotten to is going to be $10.31. And this was on April 7th, 2021, which was 3 years ago. If we look at the last month, it's up by 0.35%. Last year, it's up by 43%. And all-time history, we've seen this decrease from 2021 all the way until now. I feel like there's so much opportunity, whether you're at $1 or whether you're at $4 or $5. I think this is a fantastic play that a lot of people are sleeping on here. And again, this is all just my opinion. You could take it or leave it however you want. The next play that I want to talk about is Beam. This is in the gaming sector. Now, we all know gaming is going to be more popular. This is not as cheap when it comes to the market cap as API 3, but you are still seeing it, kind of slept on a little bit, where a lot of people are talking about Gala and they're talking about many other things that are in the gaming sector. And I feel like Beam is being slept on here with only $11 million worth of volume. We're going to see a lot more that comes from Beam. It is currently down in the last day or so, but it's sitting at a $783 million market cap. If we look at the last 7 days, it's actually up by 11%. The last month, it's up by 4%. And if you look at the last year, it's up by 221%. So people are starting to become aware of what Beam actually is. And I talked about it back here, or I talked about it somewhere around here, and then more right here, and obviously came down a little bit, started to kind of level out, and then it started to really increase, and a lot of people were like, oh, Beam actually does look pretty good. I invested a little bit into it. I currently have, I think, 300,000, I want to say. I might be wrong by saying that, but I have a decent amount. I feel like it's a doable amount, and I feel like I'll be able to gain quite a bit from that investment. But it is definitely a sleeper play that I feel like people are not really seeing what the true value is of this. The last play that I want to talk about on this list that I have is Book of Meme. And the reason why I have Book of Meme is because I feel like a lot of people gravitate towards a lot of other meme coins that are out there. Is this going to be worth a crazy amount for 20 years? Probably not. And the reason why I say that is because it is a meme coin, so it gets to a certain level that people believe it's going to get to, and then we're going to see a drop. Then we're going to see a fall, and then consolidation at whatever the standard price is, or whatever the level people are buying and selling at a normal rate, or at the same rate. But we are seeing about $100 million worth of volume, which is more than what you see in both of the other positions that we had combined, right? You had 8 million, then you had 11 million, and you have 95 million in Book of Meme alone. It is sitting at a 20% volume to market cap ratio, which shows its level of popularity now. But I feel as though Book of Meme is definitely going to be worth multiple billions of dollars. Nothing really going for this besides the fact that it is a meme coin, but it has the level of popularity that you've seen in like an ape coin, which ape coin has more use case than what this has. But it still has this level of popularity that just came out of nowhere, and it's going to stick as we see altcoin season thrive. Now, this is all just my opinion. There are many other plays that are out there that has a ton of potential, a ton of opportunity. And what this video is supposed to do is not only open your eyes to the positions that I hold that I believe are sleeper plays, but open your eyes to the entire market. Don't just look at the top 100. Don't just go over to CoinMarketCap and go, all right, I'm on CoinMarketCap. Let's see what's happening here. I'm going to, oh, okay, Avalanche looks good. Oh, Litecoin looks good. Let me go ahead and invest into all of these plays. No, let's not just focus on that. Let's scroll down here and let's go, okay, we have multiple pages. Let's look at the second page. What's on the second page? All right, you got Decentraland. That looks like it could have some push to it. You got PancakeSwap. Oh, I forgot about PancakeSwap. Actually look into the market, look into the second, third, fourth, fifth page, and find something that could potentially be that banger play for you to where you get in early. Everybody else doesn't get in early. You get in early, and everybody else follows. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out those links for Twitter, for Patreon, Margex, as well as Trade Assist. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.